Assalamu alaikum guys, this is me waqas and this is my best friend Mubarak Deb. After a long time we make a video together because I was in village in my village and that's why I didn't make the vlog because in our village there is a lot of problems. The mosque is no network connection there. That's why I didn't vlog. So this is my first vlog after the Eid in my friend with my friends. And what do you say about the weather?
MashaAllah, welcome to Waqas again.
Thank you so
To the
much.
front of you. Uh, MashaAllah, he has come now and we make vlog together. And MashaAllah, today weather is very beautiful. You know that after couple of days so today MashaAllah, very beautiful weather.
Yeah.
And I will share another one that tomorrow is our match. Cricket match.
Yeah.
So what you say about this cricket match? That you pray for us that we win and qualify for semi-final and final.
Yeah. Have you shared this video to TikTok or YouTube?
Yeah, of course, I share this video on TikTok, also on YouTube. Guys, if you are see our video on TikTok, so please guys visit to our YouTube channel by name Mubarak Vlog and support us. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.